So first up is the Class 101. As you can see, it needs an oil service. A little bit of a nudge. But it's only build up of carbon on the brushes, that's all that is. There we go. And what we'll do is we're going to carefully put this away. Now this has got magnetic wheels for some reason, so I'm going to put him over there. And we're going to bring up there. That's the GWR pannier tank. Now for this, I've got the I found the place that does the cream finisher and the new transfers as well. So there we go. Right, this is a more modern. I am going to smack cats as well because very, very irritating Verity. Look at that, that is so lively. Whoop, and it's knocked out fish plates. Good. This I don't think has ever been used. It just needs just a tiny, tiny bit of power and it just flies off. So that is the Caledonia Railway Pug. Right. Let's put him away. Let's have set the road. Class 37, which has just pulled out all the fish plates. That's a troubled item with fish plates. Set the road. Put him away. Now, this seems to be a classic mistake that everybody makes. HO Lima. It's a class 33 in its pre-tots number. Oh, 44. Very, very lively. It's a bit too lively, like, you know. These had some that had slow speed controls. Let's come with it. There we are, class 33, and that's what it's. I mean, you know, these were quite big engines, but like. It is about, it's about 2 scale difference. Alright, let us have a look at the Queen of the Collection. Now this one is tired and is in need of some help. Class 86. working pantograph. If you can see that, put it down. Now it's also got on here, it's got like a little nubbin, like that turns it to pantograph setting, makes that pick up, and that turns it to rail setting. Very, very powerful engine this is. I love it. So there you go. Whoever's had this has done some detail work to it, because he's put like all the cab details in there. It's gone over the embossed numbers. I mean, it does look very well done, and I'm very pleased with that. These are old Class 86s, you know, made in Great Britain by Hornby. So I think this is brilliant. This is the king of the collection. Right. So there we go. There's all the motive power. Okay, what we're having a look at now is the coaching stock I've got. Some of it is very early unglazed Tri-ang. Right, there's an example of the unglazed Tri-ang. Some of it is very play worn, but it's still good. It's good for what I want it for. And then some of it is where somebody's done a project. As you can see there, somebody's like, you know, they've tried marooning it up, and then they've tried. I think that this was originally like just a standard BR Class 1. And this one here, Royal Mail, it's missing the thing on the bottom that tells it to open the nets. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to like lock them up. I may even get some net, take them out and put some net in there. We shall see. I do have a couple of other bits and pieces on their way, but there is my coaching stock for my layout. And so finally we come to my wagons, United Dairies, as seen in South London. Like, you know, that was a 24-hour operation that used to run from basically local to here, Temple Cooper Milk Yard, where all the milk tankers were assembled. They moved up to the upper yard for express run to Vauxhall Station, where on platform 1 there used to be a spigot. They used to connect to somewhere down in the bottom of the tank, like, you know, and you used to pump it directly to the dairy down below Vauxhall Station, and that is how you used to get like your milk from the cow to your doorstep in under 24 hours. Like, you know, and it just shows you just how Britain did work. Like, it was really clever. And SR, of course, a rather sadly bananaed roofed Great Western wagon. That's an old early Tri-ang that will be repaired. A GWR towed 20-ton brake van. It's missing its rear coupling and a buffer, and it's only got like the narrow like Lima type coupling, so I believe that's a Lima. And then we have British Rail 20 or North Eastern Railway 20-ton goods van. It's missing a piece of plastic from its floorboard, but otherwise it's in very good condition, all complete. a northeastern short guards van. That should be a 10 ton if I remember rightly. A very, very old early Tri-ang Midland region 20 ton. An equally as old Tri-ang, like just basically coal or some sort of like hopper. Another very early Tri-ang wagon. So there you go. I think I've got the beginnings of a good layout. I think that's quite good. So I won't be going from the down view or the up view on this one. I think we've got everything covered. I mean, I've got a huge boxer track. I've got enough to make one oval and some sidings. That will do me for the time being, and I will catch you. It's just see, it's working. Well, let's have a quick chat before I sign off. I paid £14 from this from Tri-ang Man on the internet. I'll give him a shout out. And this is a Rovex. Don't know if you can see that there. This is a Rovex Tri-ang. It's got two outputs. It's got like the standard low and high output, like for controlling your trains. But on the back, I don't know if you can see that, it's actually got an accessories output for like running a rail, like to your signals, your lighting, and all the other accessories. So I think that was well worth 14 quid. It's used, it's been like but like the electrics are good. Does the job, and that there it's the reset button. If it short circuits for some reason, it will reset itself. And there you go. Right, I'm signing off now, so I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
So what will you do when Global Capital's 5-ring circus comes to your town?